Maharaj. Some of us were discussing this morning that some of us, we don't always stay in one temple and have an opportunity to do regulated deity worship, but we like doing deity worship. So as far as an individual traveling with his own deity, maybe you can give us some advice what would be the best form of the Lord or the best procedure for an individual to travel with deities.
Who is he?
Ruchi Prabhu.
Ruchi Prabhu. What is his point?
He does traveling and preaching much. He travels much.
Yes.
And he doesn't get chance to be in the temple and see the deity. And he wants to know if he can travel and take one deity with him. What type of deity is the best? What is permitted?
Who has given the deity to him?
No, he doesn't have now.
Govardhan Shila or Gopal Murti, what is the deity?
Maharaj, he doesn't have any now. He does not have anything now, but he wants your advice as to what would be the best form of the Lord to worship while traveling.
He hasn't started it yet.
That is not necessary. Kirtan is a higher type. So, Archan is less powerful. So, if we are asked by a superior to take the service of Archan, that is all right. Otherwise, in the general case, Kirtan would be more powerful and more fruitful. So serve in Kirtan preaching department. Anyhow, the importance is there that under whose guidance I am working. That is all important. My energy will be translated into transformed into a subtle form, and it will be led to the higher quarter. By devoting my energy, I shall receive some remuneration, and that will be in terms of whom I shall obey, under whose order I am devoting my energy for this service. The quality of that man under whose order I am devoting my energy, I shall be paid in terms of that. Sadhu Anugatya. That is all important thing. All important thing. One side, that I will be relieved from my mental tendency, which is forcing me to wander in the different stages of this material world. I shall get relief from that. And the positive side, that I am, my soul will be led to what strata, what plane? The plane from which the order is coming to me. In that coin I shall be paid. His qualities will come down to help me. My raw energy will evaporate, will be diminished, will disappear, and I will find myself in the plane for whom I am working. That is all important in bhakti. Hare Krishna. Even murdering may be bhakti, and the worship of the deity may be karma or that. The quality depends at whose disposal I am doing the work. Hanumanji, he killed so many, but that was pure devotion. At the same time, there are so many huge money being spent to construct temple, and deity also installed into the Shastric order, and in grand way the arrangement for the worshipping, that may be karma kanda. With any object there is any begging purpose underlying. So Kim Karma Kima Karmeti Kavayo Patra Mohita. The higher scholars cannot understand what is karma, what is akarma, what is vikarma. The object is all important, for which I am working. Attar Singha Loka no Hanti no Nivaddhati. There is a plane. If one standing on that plane, he can crush so many Brahmanda. He does not do anything. It is possible. Revolutionary thought. Crushing so many solar systems, one may not be entangled in any activity, good or bad. Such a brain is there. The universal wave that is moving, and if I can dance in tune at that wave, I am free. No reaction will have any effect on me. Nirgun Bhumika, that is called Nirguna. No motive, no local interest, other pleasure is there. The universal is irresistible, and bhakti proper means to adjust ourselves with the dance of that plane. That is bhakti proper. Nirgun. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Lord Hare. And the local interest, provincial interest, they clash with one another. That may be very small or very small and big, that does not matter. That is saguna. Ditiyabhinivesh, bhayam ditiyabhinivesh atasya. Consideration of second interest. But in higher Vedas also, there it is apparent that local interest, personal interest, but that is not so. That is a fashion of the universal wave, Yogamaya. At the bottom, there is that consideration of absolute interest, not of any local. Told very good. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Nitai Gaur Hari Bol, Nitai Gaur Hari Bol.
এরিয়া ট্রান্সমিটার আছে তো ট্রান্সমিটারের এরিয়া আপনি এখানে কথা বলছেন ও ঘরে গিয়ে ধরবে ওরা ঝামেলার ব্যাপার
Nitai Gaur Hari Bol. Sadhbhavan Prabhu is today, at least you are here today.
হ্যাঁ আজকে দুপুরবেলা আমি রওনা দেব।
আজকে যাবেন?
আজকে আছেন বললেন
না আমি তো মানে স্কুলে অভিমন্যুকে স্কুলে নিয়ে যাওয়া একটু ঝামেলা তো
স্কুল তো আজ বন্ধ।
হ্যাঁ আজ কালকে থেকে ভাড়া কালকে
কাল শিবরাত্রি বন্ধ না?
না
পরশু দিন বললেন
আমি ভাবছি সামনের মাস থেকে একবার বাস যদি ঠিক করা যেতে পারে তাহলে সুবিধা। আর তাছাড়া প্রপন্ন জীবনামৃতমের ম্যানুস্ক্রিপ্টটাও পাঠাতে হবে, এটা কলকাতায় আছে।
ওটা ছাপানো হবে কোথায়?
ছাপানো হবে মানে আমি কলকাতায় দেখতে পারি মহারাজির কথাবার্তা বলে বিভিন্ন লোকের সঙ্গে একটা ভালো প্রিন্টার দেখে করতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ, ওকে যদি জুড়তে পারেন
হ্যাঁ
বিশেষ বোসকে,
আমি এটাই ভাবছি।
হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ
দিয়ে আপনি এই আরম্ভ করবেন।
ছাপার ইয়েটা একবার উনি যদি হাতে নেন তাহলে মোটামুটি মনে হয় যে এখন থেকে লয়ারের সঙ্গে কনসাল্ট করেছেন আর সব কিছু ওর ছেলের নামে ট্রান্সফার করিয়ে দিয়ে দেবেন। আপনি বলেছিলেন ওকে হচ্ছে, তো সেইটা করছে।
যে অন্তত একটা দিয়ে দেন, একটা হাতে রাখুন ছোট ছেলের জন্য। আর যদি সম্ভব হয় তো দিয়ে আপনার নিজস্ব ভবিষ্যৎ জীবনের জন্য কিছু রেখে দেন, একটা ইয়ে করুন, ফিক্সড ডিপোজিট কিছু দিয়ে আপনার এবং আপনার অ্যাটেন্ডেন্ট একজন, এই দুজনের খরচের মতো রেখে দিয়ে আপনি দিয়েছি এই দিকে লেগে যান, এরকম বলেছিলাম।
ও বলছিল যে এই বছরের শেষে হয়তো এখানে এসে পুরোপুরিভাবে থাকতে পারবে।
বছর শেষ মানে চৈত মাস নাকি?
না, এই 82 বছর মানে 1982 ইংরেজি মাসে, ইংরেজি বছর।
সব উঠে যাচ্ছে, সে তো অনেক দিন। হ্যাঁ,
আর আরেকটা হচ্ছে মহারাজ যে এখানে তো আপনি বলেছিলেন আগে মহিলাদের একটা আশ্রম, সেটাও একটা বিশেষ
আগ্রহ
করলে আমারও কিছুটা সুবিধা হয়।
সেটা একটা আলাদা ট্রাস্ট করে একটা দায়িত্ব নিলে পরে তো হয় কীভাবে কী হবে।
হ্যাঁ সেটা বিয়ে করে
কীভাবে চলবে।
মিসেস বোসকেই ওটা দেওয়া উচিত, তিনি তো এটা করতে পারেন। মিসেস বোস
তিনি তো যদি সাবানোর দিকে যান তো ওই মিসেস রায় তিনি বলেছিলেন এই থেকে দায়িত্ব নেবেন নাকি মহিলার।
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু ওনার মানে আর্থিক ক্ষমতা তো কম আছে, তার ইন্টারেস্ট আছে, সিনসিয়ারিটি প্রচুর, খুব ভালো মহিলা। কিন্তু
আর মিসেস বোস তিনি যদি ওইসব ছেলেদিকে ছেড়ে দেন সব, তখন তো এর আর্থিক পজিশনটা কী হবে,
সেটাই বোঝা যাচ্ছিল।
সকল এনগেজমেন্ট পাবে।
So she feels very encouraged by
হরিচরণ কি বলছো?
আগে
তুমি কি বলছো দেখি?
না কিছু বলে না।
তুমি বলছো যে এইসব প্রাইভেট বুদ্ধি যোগী তিমাংসেন, বুদ্ধি যোগী তিমাংসেন বুদ্ধা যুক্ত জয়া পার্থ কর্মবন্ধং প্রহাস্য। नेहाभिक्रमणा स्वस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते स्वल्पमप्यस्य धर्मस्य त्रयति महतु भया গীতায় বুদ্ধিযোগ
গীতায় বুদ্ধিযোগটাকেই তো একবার
দারুণ
সবচেয়ে বেশি
আমার
ইম্পর্টেন্স দিয়েছেন রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর।
ভক্তিযোগ ঠাকুর। আর আমার মনে হয় ওই যে বঙ্কিম প্রশংসা করেছে তো এই কেদারনাথ বাবুর এইটা একটা অরিজিনাল দান হচ্ছে আমাদের কাছে পর্যন্ত পাইনি গীতার ব্যাখ্যায়। তা আমার মনে হয় বুদ্ধি যোগেতে ওই বঙ্কিমের ওইটা খুব পছন্দ। আর ভক্তিনাথ ঠাকুর ওইখানেই শুদ্ধ ভক্তি ভক্তের লক্ষণ দেখতে। যদিও ভক্তিযোগ একটা রয়েছে আলাদা, ভক্তিযোগ বলে আলাদা চারটা রয়েছে।
So what would be the difference, Maharaj, between Bhakti Yog and Buddhi Yog according to Bhaktivinoda Thakur?
Buddhi Yoga, according to Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Buddhi Yoga is more spacious and accommodating. This aprakito, it will suit mostly for aprakita leader. More accommodating. More nearer to Krishna consciousness. Buddhi Yoga. Bhakti Yoga just above Jnana Yoga, what is described in 12th canto, 12th Adhyaya. But Buddhi Yoga is more precious. Externally, he may deal with anything and everything, but that has no influence on him. Buddhi Yoga. But in Bhakti Yoga, in Dadash Adhyaya, we find that some sort of restriction, control is applied there. Uniketa Sthiromati, Sukhdukha Samana, all these things are all right. But any external connection with the which may be considered to be rejectable, even in the highest position of a devotee, that can also be harmonized, everything. Doing anything he may not do. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Buddhi Yoga. Ekaiva Kuru Nandana. Whatever he is asked to done by his master, he is ready to do that, without any consideration of good or bad. Buddhi Yoga.
Maharaj, this Mahanam Broto Brahmachari, he was once interpreting, he was once giving a lecture and interpreting that to follow the instruction of the Guru.
He is a nasty man.
He's a nasty man, yes.
He came from the source of Jagabandhu. When we went to America for doctorate, I was in charge of Bombay Mott at that time. I knew him. Then he came back. I saw his doctorate. there are also defects in his writing in the name of Jiva Goswami. What he has written, there is error. Again, the Acme, when he told that Mahajano Yeno Gatasva Sapantha, I heard from one of my god brother, Dr. Shamlal. So he attended one of his lectures, perhaps in Berhampur or somewhere. And he told, and I might have seen in the paper also, in explaining Mahajano Jeno Gatasva Pantha. He said Mahajan, Gandhi is a Mahajan, Rabindranath is a Mahajan. Hearing that, I had rejected him and cast him in the dustbin.
That is your Kripa, Maharaj. At least he has a place in your dustbin.
তাহলে অতি স্তুতি হয় এই নিন্দার লক্ষ্য। And another thing I found in his writing, he was very eager to find out the name of Sri Chaitanya Dev in the writing of Rabindranath. And anyhow, he mentioned a place where Rabindranath is saying to some persons that you are too much of the Varnashram fashionism, but Chaitanya also did not care for your formality. He, with very eagerness, tried to test that Rabindranath also took the name of Chaitanya. But Rabindranath took it in that hateful way. Even Chaitanya did not care for your formality. Not Sri Chaitanya, Chaitanya. Chaitanya also did not care for the formalities of Varnashram. What of mine? I don't care for you. And he was so much proud that Chaitanya is mentioned in the, came from the lips of Rabindranath, that fellow. I was told that he can deliver lecture very fluently, very impressive way. That I have heard. Long ago when I went to Jalpaiguri for preaching, the general educated public told that what you have preached here about Gaudiya Math, hitherto such কি বলেছিল হাই ক্যালিবারের প্রচার এরকমভাবে আর হয়নি। But Mahananda, he came and in the name of Chaitanya he delivered several lectures and the people was impressed. But Mahananda became fluent style of his lecture, but nothing within. That Gandhi is a Mahajan, Rabindranath is a Mahajan, in the line of Mahajan. Tavat chashubhati murkho javat kinchit no bhashati. So long a fool may cut a good figure, as long as he does not open his lips. So opening his lips to the scholar section, that is a difficult thing. Hare Krishna.
আজ অতিস্তুতি হয় নিন্দার লক্ষণ, ওইটার ইংরেজি বলেন নিন্দা
অনেকবার বলেছি আমি।
বলেছেন অনেকবার বলে দেখুন কাজকর্ম দেখুন এখানে বসে
He also smokes, Maharaj. This Mahanamrata, after giving his lecture, as soon as he goes inside, he is puffing to get back his inspiration.
And then smoking mere tobacco or ganjika. That will be more stimulating.
So one of our god brothers, he was visiting him before. So he asked him, he said, how do I see that you're smoking? He said, no, this is for private amongst you, but for public, I am against smoking.
Okay.
Such a bogus character he
Yeah.
is.
The hypocrite. Hari Krishna, Hari Krishna, Gaur Hari Gaur. Bro. Bro. Hari Krishna. Bro.
Maharaj,
Yes.
in Durgapur, there was one gentleman who was arguing from this Kali Santanan Upanishad. And from there he was quoting one verse where I think Lord Brahma, he is stating the Maha Mantra with Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari first, and Hare Krishna afterwards. So he said, how do you adjust this in your philosophy?
What did you say?
I told him that in the Ananta Samhita and Garuda Puran and one other Puran that the Hare Krishna mantra is given as we chant it. And that Brahma, he is Haridas Thakur, the Namacharya. So we follow his example.
Kadishantan Upanishad, it isn't such. Agni Puran and Brahmanda Puran, half. But they say that this is because it comes from Upanishad, so this Vedic mantra. And ordinary people may not have any entrance to Vedic mantra. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has just readjusted this mantra, and the Vedic mantra, the concern is cancelled thereby, and he gave it all. That is a section of people in the UP side who love Sri Chaitanya Dev. They like to give their opinion like this. But ours is that where it is mentioned Hari Rama first, then that is superficial. Concerning Rama Avatara, that took place first, and the Krishna Avatara, that afterwards that occurred. So first Ram, Hari Rama, and Hare Krishna. But our deeper meaning is that in Danda, when similar two things are connected together, not the historical precedence, but the consideration of the highly developed conception. So Krishna Nam is higher than that of Rama Nama. It is mentioned in Puran, Sahasra Nama Vistulam Rama Nama Varaname. Then 3 Rama Nam is equal to Krishna Nam. In this way, it has been mentioned in Puran. So Krishna Nam is more superior to Rama Nam. So in Dvandva Samas, where they are connected together, the trace is given to the superiority. So Krishna Nam is to come first. This is one point. The another point is that everything is moving in a cyclic order. Which is first, which is next, that cannot be ascertained in the eternal cycle. Either Krishna is before or Ram is before. That is, so from that consideration also, Krishna, if we take Krishna Nam, that is not relating to posterity, but in the eternal cycle, any place we may begin. Then another higher thing of our Sampradayik secret is this, that our deeper meaning is not concerned with Ramulila. Even the name Ram, there we find Radha Raman Ram. The wholesale in Krishna consciousness, not Rama consciousness of Godhead. So, Mahaprabhu's highest conception of things, the Swayam Bhagavan Krishna Leela, it is connected with that. So the Krishna, the Ram, not historical avatar in the predecessor of Krishna, but we are concerned with independent of Kala, only in Vrindavan Leela, Swayam Bhagavan Leela of Krishna. That is the real purpose of Mahaprabhu, for which it is not mentioning of Ramulila of Ayodhya at all, no connection. Mukta Pragraha, Subal Sakar, do you follow?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
There was also another thing which came up, we were discussing, and that was Gautam Rishi and his wife Hotili. What's her name?
Novai Vidu Rishayo Napi Deva, Kuto Manusya. But Mahaprabhu gave the internal meaning. The Rishi cannot stand there, no Rishi. Novai Rishi Munayo, Kiya se?
Why we do?
Novai Vidu Rishayo Napi Deva, Kuto Manusya. No mention, human scholarship to trespass into the realm. Even the Rishi do not know.
They say
They
that
have dealt superficial theism. Superficial theism has been given by the Rishi. Nasabasis Joshamatamana Bhindam. What are the Rishi? Some substantial, some ground preparation of the ground of theism. That is supplied by the Rishi in general. Vasu Vetti no Vetti va. The development of the theism. Charvaki is also Rishi. Rishi means research scholar, who has given a new doctor. Rishi means doctor, who has given some original opinion into the society. He is Rishi. Brahmarshi, Devarshi, Rajarshi, and there are so many Rishi, section of Rishi. Atrir Vasishtaschavanu Saradvam, Orishta Nemir Bhigurangiraja, Parasaru Gadhi Sututadamo, Dvaipayano Bhagavan Naradasya. They are all students, and with profound silence they are hearing what novel thing is coming from the mouth of this boy. They're stuck dumb, the rishis. When Sukadeva began to deliver his lecture of Bhagavatam, they are all stuck dumb, the rishis. It's a new thing coming. Hare Krishna, Gaur Hari Gaur. Aggaviva gunan doshan maya dhishtana pishakan dharman samtajya sarva. What to speak of the rishis? What God himself, he has by his own lips, he has given orders, this is your duty. And that is also being cancelled. And go, necessity of going up. Krishna himself, he has also given so many things in the name of religion, but there is gradation. Go further, go deeper. The development is there in theism. Oh, no, in many places it is mentioned. Anna padatta karana nishinishayana nana munu rasudhya khana bhagno nidra dvaiva hatatarapana rishayupi deva naitake iha samsaranti. Anna padatta karana nishinishayana nana munu rasudhya khana bhagno nidra Daiva hatattaratana rishayupi deva jushat pasanga vimukha iha samsaranti. Even those, the lords of rishis, munis, if they cannot understand your such loving service, the value, then they will have to go down. Such authority will also have to go down. So-called authorities. This high level Mahaprabhu has given. This Radha Govinda Lila combined. What he has given, that cannot be comparable. Not only on this Brahmanda, this history of solar system, but in the course of the history of crores of creation and dissolution. Such high thing. Theism, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Gaur Hari Gaur. No bhuto, no bhavishyati. What Mahaprabhu has given to us. One gentleman told that Sati, Savitri, Sita, Damayanti, and so many other Draupadi, and the high models of so many ladies, they were shining like stars in the history, in the Purana of the Vedic culture here. So long, they are shining a very with great splendor. But whenever Radharani had entered the arena, they all they have become pale. All the models, the ideals, they are cast shadow, covered with shadow, more or less, when Radharani entered with her intense love for Krishna. The whole creation, even including so many Shastra, Purana, Rishi culture, everything. By her dazzling personality, everything became pale. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari Bol. Dr. Dinesh Sen told like that. You have, through the door of Brahma Vaivarta Puram, the character of Radha Rani entered into the Sahitya ki bole,
literature.
and into the world of literature, then all other ideals of the highest attainment of the ladies, of the chaste ladies, all became pale. Veda, a Mahaprabhu came with that. And so it is told that Mahaprabhu, Krishna and Radharani combined, Anatpita charing chirat karunaya bhakti. Not ever been given to the world. In the cyclic order of the creation dissolution, that was never given to the world. What Mahaprabhu has given. Dhanna Kali, this fortunate Kali Yuga. Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol, Gaur Hari Bol. Die to live. The death has also got its degree. The degree of death, the intensity of the degree of death, what Radharani showed for Krishna, no parallel ever conceived in the world. Self-given, self-offering, so intense self-surrendering is never to be thought out even by the scholars of the world, of the devotees. It is impossible. Hare Krishna, Gaur Hari, Gaur Hari, Gaur. And accordingly, all the groups of Krishna, the Shakhas, the Sarvijas, the Vatsalas, father, mother, all the highest degree of sacrifice and the surrender to be found only in Krishna Lila, Swayam Bhagavan in Vrindavan. Otherwise, the greatest devotee, Uddhava, it is coming from his own mouth of Krishna. The Brahma, the Shiva, the Sankarsana, Lokhi, and myself even, is not so superior as my favorite Uddhava. I consider him to be more favorite than my own body, Krishna says. And that Uddhava says, I want to be a creeper, a shrub in Vrindavan, that I may have the chance of the touch of the feet dust of these dancers of Bhajan. What is this? Can we think it out? It is impossible for us to think out what high degree of devotion and sacrifice can be present there. And this cannot be denied. I put it to a Madrasi Pandit, and he could not say anything in opposition. Pandit Bhagavat, and the whole Bhagavat in his mouth. He does not care to take any book. Whole Bhagavat is in his memory. that Pandit I met in Mambalam. But when I put this proof, he could not speak anything. So many appreciators, barristers, advocates, judges, followers, could not speak a single word. Quite positive, proof positive. Krishna himself says, Uddhav, you are such a favorite devotee of mine. None is so. And that Uddhav says like this. And how to measure? By light year, when we are to measure the distance of the stars who are very far off, by light year. So here also light year, Brahma, Shiva, Sankarshan, Lakshmi, himself, Uddhav, and thereafter. The light year measurement. Gaur Hari Bol, 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 Gaur Hari. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Nidai Gaur Hari Bol, Nidai Gaur Hari Bol. Nidai Gaur Hari Bol. Nidai Gaur Hari Bol, Nidai Gaur Hari Bol. Nidai Gaur Hari Bol.
Maharaj, you described the Chatursan, Chaturvyuha. Sorry, Chaturvyuha before.
Chaturbhuha.
Yes.
Chaturbhuha and the Chatushan is not one and same.
No, I'm sorry. So, Pradumna and Aniruddha and Shankarshan and Vasudeva.
Vasudeva. Vasudeva, Sankarshan, Pradyumna, Aniruddha.
So, in the material world,
Mool Chaturbhuha, Adi Chaturbhuha, and their extension. Mool Sankarshan in Dwaraka. Mool Adi Chaturbhuha. Chaturbhuha in Vaikuntha and Adi Chaturbhuha in Dwaraka. This Karunarno Sai, Garbhoda Sai, their extension. Now,
so with the extensions,
extension,
so
the
what,
delegation, what you may say, the particular type of function. They have got their particular type of function. And that sort of function, wherever is present, we have to trace the origin in that line.
so what part does Durga Devi play in the function of the mind, buddhi, and these padarthas?
Mind, body, and
The Karnadakshay Vishnu is an expansion of Shankarshan.
Karunarnava Sai, he has to deal with the whole of Prakriti. And the Garbhoda Sai, a particular part of Brahmanda, the whole dealt by just as DM and SDO, and the commissioner and the Rajyapal in this way. So above the whole of the Prakriti movement, there is Karunarnava Sai. And at every Brahmanda, there is Garbhoda Sai. And every soul within, there is Kiroda Sai.
Pradumna and Aniruddha, their expansions are Garbhodakshay and Shirodakshay Vishnu. Their expansions,
Aniruddha Kiroda Sai, and the Pradyumna Garbhoda Sai, and the Sankarshan Karoda Sai, Karunarnava Sai, and Vasudeva above all. Vasudeva is higher he is above, transcendental of the whole of Brahma conception. This Brahma, Karnarnavasai, is also above the Brahma conception. But Brahma has direct concern with him, Tallinga Bhagavan Shambhu. That from Karnarnavasai, the ray is coming to touch Prakriti, this energy, and that is Shiva. And the Karnarnavasai at the background, and the transcending all the relativity of the mic world, of the material world, there stands Vasudeva, Parabrahma, Purushottam, Kharadupitoham, Okharadupitottama. He has got no concern with this material transaction, the Vasudeva. And the Sankarshan, the first step down to connect with material conception as a whole, and the partial management by the Garbhodasai, and the individual case of Diva is taken by the Khyodasai, Antarjami, Paramatma. In this way, their function can be, they are all one and the same, but according to their function we have to trace them in different way. ঈশ্বর তত্ত্বে ভেদমান মানিলে হয় অপরাধ. The one power of government represented in so many figures, something.
Smaraj,
Yeah.
the question is what function does Durga Devi play
Durga Devi.
with these three, with Pradumna, Aniruddha and Shankarshan, in this as expansions? What is her dealings?
Is the negative side. The negative side, that is in a representative government, in a democratic government, the parliament and also the king's side or Rashtrapati, something like that. Durga Devi, she is direct, her direct concern with this world of punishment, misguided soul, to train them the punishment. And there also the representation from above has been sent here to detect how the function is going on from the government above. Their representation has been put in the administration of Durga Devi to check how far it is going on in a system or whimsically, something like that. The representation of the above, and Durga Devi in general charge of the administration of punishment for the misguided souls. He is the empirical representative, and that is coming down from above to help the jiva, that they may not be mishandled. Something like that.
What is the difference between Subhadra Devi and Durga Devi?
What
The
does it?
difference between Subhadra Devi and Durga Devi.
Subhadra Devi and Durga Devi. What is the reason of your asking this question? Where do you find any common? between them.
Because in
Subhadra Devi, she represents the Leela of Krishna. He is there. He is in Dwaraka. She has got no administrative function. Where is the room of misconception between the two?
because Vishnu, when Vishnu told Yogamaya to descend,
Who is Yogamaya? Subhadra.
Subhadra,
Subhadra is not Yogamaya. A part may be played very hard, a function of Yogamaya.